So to draw profiles in Urbano, it's extremely easy. Basically, all you have to do is just select a profile configuration and everything is stored inside. So from the scale, data, colors, everything. So just run the configuration. And now, according to that topology that I showed you, you can draw the profiles automatically for the entire network. So select the entire network, and now you can draw it according to branches or according to arrays. Let's go to arrays, and here we see these familiar names that we gave to our arrays. And I will place them all in one row like this. And when we click draw, we have all of them drawn with one click of a mouse. Also, if we want to draw from node to node, we have that option as well. So you can go from any node to any node in any direction. And I will go to this node here, and I will place this profile here. And let's do one more from node to node. Let's go from this node to this node, and let's place it here. So very, very easy to draw profiles in Urbano.